Good morning, Honorable President of the function, respected Principal of GC Kannur, Dr. Jayaprakash, the General Chair of Conference, Dr. Uma Shankar S., Dr. Sabik PV, Chair Education Activities, IEEE Kerala Section, Dr. Deepavi Nair, Director, Antenna Labs, Cochin, Dr. Manoj Kumar, General Chair of APSI 2024, other head of the departments, respected faculty members, delegates of this international conference on advancement in power, communication, and intelligence systems. I believe it's with the theme of intelligent systems for sustainability. Let me, at the outset, thank APCI, IEEE, and College of Engineering, Government College of Engineering, Kannur, for inviting me to be a part of this very important event. As Dr. Jayaprakash has rightly pointed out, conferences are the areas where we discuss the advances, we discuss the developments, we share with each other what is happening, and then also create collaborative partnerships which we can take it forward. And I'm sure that this two-day conference also will give you a lot of opportunities for that. I'm actually quite excited to see that Dr. Deepavi Nair is also here, because when you hear about many of the academic conferences, it's very rarely you see people from industry also participating. When you go to industry conferences, you see only academicians participating. And it's actually it's a great thing that you have both academia and industry, and that too, industry is doing good IP work. And as you heard that the number of patents Dr. Deepavi Nair is actually holding, I think this is the type of interactions which we wanted as we go forward, because many times as academicians we may be doing things which may not be as relevant to the industry, or industry has got problems which many times academia is not aware of it. And this sort of conferences actually provide you this opportunity. And I really congratulate GC for taking that initiative, and specifically on behalf of KTU, I thank principal and the organizing committee and APCI to organize this international conference in Kerala, in the KTU ecosystem, because I believe only through such interactions we can actually make a robust research ecosystem in the state. And as rightly pointed out by Dr. Jayaprakash, which is the foundation stone of the knowledge economy which you are speaking about. I don't want to give a lot technical aspect of this conference, because I'm not qualified. I'm primarily a mechanical engineer. Spend most of my time in management related areas. In fact, when Dr. Jayaprakash called me, I said that this is not my area of expertise. He said that that's not being the inaugural function, so you can speak something general. But I thought that I will touch on the theme of the conference from a very macro level, specifically in the context which we are facing. As we know that last 200 years is the time when the engineering advancements has actually changed the sort of lives of all of us. The whole humanity improved during the huge amount of advancement in engineering during the last 200, maybe 200 to 250 years. But many of these are actually focused on conventional engineering. When I say conventional engineering, primarily on mechanical, civil, and related areas. And this has created quite a bit of changes in the way we look at the systems, physical systems around us. Focus was more on physical systems, but they actually created substantive changes or substantive challenges in making in the sustainability aspect. Even the future of the earth is on a question because of many of those developments. Especially, the whole development was focused on what we generally call as a massification model. The centralized, large-scale model of development was happened across the world. If most of the theories and technologies which we study and teach and learn are all focused on very, very large level systems. And large level systems has got its own challenges. It has created, they are very highly resource intensive. They created challenges into the health ecosystem. But when we move in the last maybe 30 to 50 years, and perhaps in the last 20 years, there is a clear trend which is happening away from that. From a